I've got my exclusive beauty bag for the month of June. So if you want to see what this month's beauty routine is, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. The thing that's over there, you can kind of see the tail end of them a little bit there. And Chloe is just studying its final weeks next week, so she is off doing that. But I do have the June exclusive beauty bag. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, skincare, makeup, clothing, all kinds of stuff like that. Even a bark box for the little guy. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So this, if you buy it as a one-time, it's $59. But if you get it monthly, it's like $38. I have the site up here, $38.35. So you save 35%. Now I went on the website hoping that it might give me prices. It doesn't. So let's go through it. The first thing is by Elta MD, and this is their UV Clear. This is going to be a deluxe mini. And this is, it says travel size. It's a 1/2 ounce. And definitely a nice, travel size. And the SPF on here, again, that's 46, so that's pretty good. It is a mineral sunscreen, which is what dermatologists do recommend. Next, by PMD, we have their Smart Lip Plumping Serum. Okay, this is a 10 milliliter, but because it's a lip plumping serum, that might be full size. So there it is, and according to the website, this is an $18 value. Key benefits are to boost natural collagen production, visibly increase lip volume, reduces the appearance of lip lines, and revitalizes natural lip color. All right, so full size, $18 right there. Next, by Dermamade, we have the Medi Wash, and this is a mini. It's 30 milliliters. So it says this is for your skin and your scalp. It's deep cleansing for healthier skin. It's dermatologist developed and is designed to combat acne, dandruff, and irritated skin. Formulated with sulfur and salicylic acid, it's a gentle yet powerful wash to help remove buildup, unclog pores, and soothe sensitive skin. The full size of this, which is 8 ounces, is regularly $59, but currently on sale for $29.50. And as far as this size, it says the same thing on the exclusive beauty website. So I don't know what this size would actually be worth. I don't know of anybody who's going to see both and order this for $30 instead of the full size. On the Dermamade website, this is $59. So it is $29.50 on exclusive beauty site. Next, by Skin Medica, is the Even and Correct Brightening Treatment Deluxe Mini. This is 0.3 ounces. I think I'm using this right now from a previous box. Now the full size of this is $178. On sale for $142.40. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is exactly what I'm using right now. I do really like it. I do not $180 like it. I mean, it's not like done some fabulous change to my skin. I don't look like I'm 20 years old, but it is nice. It is nice. It's soothing. It doesn't seem to make my rosacea worse. And with this size, I mean, I've been using it for a month and I still have plenty. Although I do only use it in the morning. At night, I'm using something else. I'm using like the Medicaid system. It's supposed to target dark spots and uneven skin tone for a luminous, radiant complexion. It is retinol free. It's for all skin types, including sensitive skin and post-procedure skin. And the key ingredients are an LTN complex, which is a patented blend of antioxidants and brightening agents to improve skin clarity, tranexamic acid to reduce hyperpigmentation and stubborn dark spots, niacinamide to calm the skin and support a more even tone, and phenylethyl resorcinol to brighten and enhance overall skin radiance. Probably pronounced that really wrong. Next, by PCA Skin, we have the Rebalance Daily Moisturizer for all skin types. This is supposed to have skin calming ingredients to repair damage to your complexion caused by everyday stress, chemical peels, or facial laser treatments. There is how it looks. It has borage seed oil. It has borage seed oil to calm the skin, evening primrose seed oil to also calm the skin, niacinamide to hydrate the skin, vitamin E to strengthen and protect the skin. So those are some of the hero ingredients in here. It's a $61 value. So right there, even if you bought this as a one-time, you got this and everything else free. Next, by PCA Skin, we have their hyaluronic acid micro needle patches. You do wear this overnight. A 4-pack of these on the Derm store goes for $100. On Skin Medics, $89. So a lot of places it seems to be $100. Let's see what it is on PCA Skin. $100 on their website for 4 of them, so $25 each. They're supposed to reduce puffiness, brighten dark circles, and minimize fine lines. It has a 4D hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate while improving fine lines and wrinkles, daisy flower and hackweed extract to brighten, and amino acids and copper to soothe. Oh no, sorry, to smooth. And these do have like little tiny, like you can kind of feel them, but they don't hurt. But you can feel like the little, almost prickly. I've gotten these twice before, but once was recently. The other time was a bit ago when I used it, and I did like it. I did feel like I noticed some change in the morning, like my eyes looked a little fresher. And then last by Replenix is their anti-aging retinol 2x regenerate dry serum. And this is 1 fluid ounce, and it has a $71 price tag. It is scientifically formulated to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and achieve smoother, firmer, and more evenly toned skin. It pairs proprietary patent-pending delivery system with their advanced proprietary green tea polyphenol technology to efficiently deliver retinol into the skin without irritation. It has a 0.2% retinol concentration. And the key ingredients are The key ingredients are caffeine, retinol, and green tea. So the value of everything together, they're saying, is $227. So that takes into account what some of these deluxe samples would cost you. And again, I mean, the full size of this is $179. So even this size is going to be pricey. I do feel like they deliver every month some great items, and the price is great if you're getting it on refill for $38.35 or whatever I said. Yeah, $38.35. That's a pretty great price for everything you're getting in here. I think it's on par with the Beauty Fix by Derm Store, which I certainly did also enjoy. I think that's a little cheaper, $25. And I think you're getting like a similar value on them. And both have dermatologist tested and approved products. So that's always nice to know that these are products that your dermatologist might recommend to you. All right, well, that's all I have in that bag. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.